if you close your
Okay, so before this video starts, I just want to say I was very nervous about this video. I was very nervous about making the video and uploading the video. Now I feel like it's fine, but like, when I recorded this video, which was a few days ago, I felt really nervous about doing this and like how I would get like feedback from it, because whenever I do coding videos and that, it never gets any good feedback. I always get dislikes. Like the speed coding video that I did. Yeah, but if you really do want this to continue, please leave a like and show like appreciation. I really like, this is the thing I love to do. Like, I love coding, I love development, but I lose that, like, I lose the energy to do it and like the motivation to do it when I just get like dislikes and like hate for it. It's just, you know, it lets me down. But you know, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you don't, then obviously dislike it. I'm expecting a lot of dislikes and like no likes whatsoever. But yeah, thanks to listening, and enjoy the video. Peace.
Hello, welcome to a new series. I'm gonna just do randomly, don't know why I'm doing this, it's probably gonna happen rarely, but today I'm gonna go through some bucket tutorial, mainly paper spigot, but you know, it still works as bucket, spigot, we'll call it spigot, whatever the hell you want to call it, you know. Right, okay, let's begin. So I recommend getting whatever you use that you want to use, 1.8, 1.9, 1.10, whatever the hell you want to use. Today I'm going to be using 1.8 paper spigot, and that's what I'm going to use today. I recommend using Eclipse. So you want to just go to this thing called Package Explorer, right click it, click Java, highlight over new and click Java project. Then as project name, name it whatever you want. We're going to call this YouTube. As you can see here, we've got these folders. You want to right click YouTube. You want to go to build path, add external archives. You then want to go to whatever the hell you use. So if you go to whatever the hell I'm use, so I'm just going to use this. Actually no, we'll just use this. There it is. We'll use 1.8 Spigot. Paper one. So then when that's added, you want to just go to your new, right click YouTube, new, package. Actually no, that's wrong. Okay, right click source, src, package, name this me.youtube. Oh, I spelled YouTube wrong. And here, just do class, then call this YouTube. And this is your first ever class. Here, before this bracket, you want to type extends Java plugin, and then just import this. Then from that point, you just want from the end of this curly bracket, you just want to press enter twice. Do the @ symbol, override, enter, public void on enable bracket, enter, third bracket, and then that one. You'll find those two brackets next to your enter button. If you don't know where your enter button is, then I don't know how you're using a keyboard or got to this YouTube video. Yeah, God save you. So you'll see them next to it. From here, you can do, you want to do get logger dot info, then put that string here. Then you want to just put these two things here. So shift 2, if you're on an American keyboard, it'd be completely different. Speech marks, and then YouTube enabled. Here, we're just gonna click this one and enter twice. At override again. Enter public void on disable this time. Bracket, those two brackets, then those weird other ones. Get logger bracket dot info YouTube disabled. Now, when making your own plugins, you don't have to worry about, oh yeah, I need to somehow find out how to test when the plugin's enabled. You just have to use this void, so it will tell you, like, it will just return when it is enabled. So when the plugin is enabling, it will show this, it will give all the messages, it'll be like, oh yeah, boom, yeah, blah blah, and then, you know, as soon as it's given its last message, boom. If there's nothing there, then it just straight enables. But you know. And then here, all you want to do is just right click YouTube, click New, click File, plugin.yml, enter. Here, you want to type in main, then me.youtube, youtube.youtube. What this me.youtube is me.youtube looks for, so me is the first part of our thing. The dot states, yeah, continue reading the name, but if it doesn't have that, then go next down. But because we have me.youtube as our package name, then it searches me.youtube. Then the dot says, look across, there's nothing there, okay, so go down and have a look what's inside the package, and it finds the class YouTube. Then that's it. Now you want to put version 1.0, and you're going to put description. Actually, no, you don't need to do description. Author, then put your name. And there you have it. That is your custom plugin. Right, okay. So, sorry about that cut. From here, we're going to do public boolean on command sender command string label string, and that one args. All we're going to do from here is just extend this with those brackets again, and then import these, and that's imported. Here we want to type in return true. Here we're going to put player equals player in brackets sender, end quote on that, and then import player with org.bucket.entity. If you wanted to make it so it would work with console, you could do this. Just copy and paste that part. Oh, change that to flow. Then here, in this else part, we're going to do sender.send message, then a simple speech mark, you are not a player. Here we're gonna do if command.getLabel dot equals ignore case. Then we're gonna open this, and then all we're gonna put here is, let's say, YouTube. And then we're gonna come here, open this. We're gonna do player.send message, and then we're gonna do hello YouTube. Here in the plugin.yml, you're gonna put you're gonna do 2 enters. You're gonna do commands. Then you're gonna press space twice. Then you're gonna put then you're gonna put the name of it, which ours is YouTube. Then just gonna do this 1 2 1 2 description / command. And that is all of your plugin.yml and your plugin. Here we're going to do this, file, export, next. We should probably make a new server, just give me a bit, I'll do this right now. Okay, so I've got my my server ready. And I have the jar ready, so we can run the server, and I have the bat ready. If you don't know how to set up a server, all you gotta do is just put your thing there, so like your paper Spigot there, just easy as that. And you gotta make a text file. So do this, new text file, and then just whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna open this and edit real quick. Copy all this one, because I'm not gonna remember that. Then you just copy this code. So echo off Java, and then put this. Depending on your PC, you just want to put, actually just put that. Yeah, you just want to have that. If you have a bad PC, do 512. So do 512 for each one. But if you have an alright PC, just do this. It's recommended to do that. And then whatever your jar folder is, so like if it's Spigot 1.8, whatever, there'll be a jar. I'll put a media file link down below in the description for you to download this one, and you can just use this and download it, and then just put it into your folder, whatever you want to call it. And then you put the name of it, the exact name, into this, and there it is. Then just do file, save, and then close this. Oh no, when you've done that, when you've named the new folder, so we're just gonna delete this real quick. You want to do file, save as, then name this run.bat. Click text documents, all files, and then click save. Close this, right click here, click delete, yes, and then just run.bat. And there we go. If you wanted to make the name shorter, so you like want to just, you know, keep it down, you can just right click and rename it, and then rename your run.bat. Like rename the in part of the run.bat so it knows what thing it's working for. It's also gonna tell me that, you know, like I need to do all this stuff. So I just go into this, check if so I just go into this. Let's say true. That will load its libraries. I could not load. Alright, okay. Name is not defined. We forgot to define the name of the plugin. Sorry. So just do here name YouTube. And then do that. And then just go here. File, export, next, and then just finish and save. We'll get this error again, so we'll just save that again. Then we'll do reload. as you can see, we have our loading YouTube version 1.0, enabling version YouTube 1.0, YouTube enabled. As you can see. Now, we're just gonna go over to our local host. Just direct connect to that so we don't lag a bit. Oh, cool. So, okay, that's something. So, if we do /help, help YouTube, there we go. If we do /YouTube, and there you go, you get your text. So you'll be like, I want to color this text. How do I color this? So, all you need to do is go over to your Eclipse, just go chat color, then dots, wait for it to load, it's just had a bit of a lag, and then you'll get these ones. So you can do aqua, black, blue, bold, all that stuff. You can do dark, but we are going to do green. Now you want to use the org.bucket one, as we're not using Bungie. It doesn't really matter, but I prefer using this one. I don't know, I just use that one. So, also on this one, we'll do chat color.red. Then just click YouTube, File, Export, Next, Finish, Yes, do Reload. My computer's starting to lag a bit as I'm recording and doing all this. And then if we do it again, we get a green text now. If we do it in console, oh, there's a bit of an error there. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's red. We got an error. Oh, you need to do here return true. Then now, file, export, next, finish, yes. We'll do RL. We don't need to do reload. And then there we go, no error. If console tries to do it, or a non-existent player, it says you are not a player. If I try to do it in game, it says hello YouTube. So there you have it, really. There's your first plugin. If you're new to plugins and this is your first ever one you've ever made, well, you know, you're doing well. Don't worry. If this is just you coming back, well, you know, welcome back then, I guess. Thank you for watching this video then. I might continue the series if I want to. You know, just doing this to help people, you know. Someone asked me to do it and I was like, you know what, yeah, I might as well just go ahead and do it, you know, help them out. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time.